Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing regarding Vice President of India. Please go through my playlist. I had already discussed, that is President of India, upper house, lower house. So you'll find everything in my playlist. So let us see exactly what questions have been given regarding Vice President of India. So as you can see here, the Vice President's list from the 2007, how it has been given. So everything it has been given. So whoever presidents were exist, and initially who has taken over as a president, a vice president, that is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 1952 initial president, and here we have the whole list. So the President of India is the second highest constitutional office in the Indian government after the president. We knew that if any case of death or any impeachment process was taken, then officiating president is vice president. The vice president is elected in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote via a secret ballot conducted by the Election Commission of India. As we have seen already, the president is also elected as single transferable vote. The same process will be implemented in the selection of the Vice President of India. Next we have, I request once you go through my playlist, you will find 800 plus question papers that can be useful for you as well as your friends. And what exactly the eligibility and tenure of the Vice President of India? He has to be a citizen of India and the age has to be 35 years. The eligibility criteria for a Rajya Sabha member, whatever the eligibility, that eligibility has to be there for Vice President of India also. He should not be holding any office of the profit or central or state government offices. The tenure of the Vice President has to be that he will be remain in office for the 5 years of period, but can continue in office irrespective of the expiry of the term until a successor assumes office. So it is mandatory. Someone has to assume the office. If doesn't assume anyone, that he will continue till the office is assumed by someone. The Vice President can be removed by a majority of resolution passed by an effective majority in the Rajya Sabha. He can be impeached only by the majority in the Rajya Sabha only. So he is the chairman of a Rajya Sabha. As you can see right side, how exactly the Vice President of India term conditions article, what exactly that 63 article and election process, oath and affirmation, relation exactly. So maximum questions will be asked in it, and the article states that is article 63. And you should know what exactly the proposal relating to dismiss of the Vice President can be presented in the Rajya Sabha. So how he can be dismissed, that is implemented, that is presented in the Rajya Sabha. The resolution for removing the Vice President of India can be moved in the Rajya Sabha alone. So if you want to remove the Rajya Sabha, in Rajya Sabha only, that implemented, that can be, that bill, whatever the process will be implemented in the alone in the Rajya Sabha only. So article 64 states that the Vice President is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. So as you can see, who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? That is Vice President. 65 states that post death of president, he will officiate as the President of India. So if there is any death in case of president, he will be officiating as the President of India. So that article is 65. Article 66, what exactly it states? The Vice President election and eligibility. So article 66 states that Vice President of India's election as well as eligibility. Next we have, Vice President should submit his resignation letter to, that resignation letter will be sent to whom? That will be sent to President of India. The Vice President will take oath ceremony in the presence of President of India. As we had already discussed, the President of India will take the election, whatever the oath taking ceremony, that will be taken in the presence of Chief Justice of India, but the Vice President will take oath ceremony in the presence of President of India. The Vice President is elected by there is members of Parliament. So this Vice President is, as you can see, he is elected by the members of the Parliament. The Vice President is the Vice Chancellor of few educational institutes. As we should know, he will be officiating as a Vice Chancellor also for a few educational institutes. The first Vice President and lesser period is officiated by, that is, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the maiden Vice President for the lesser period. So that is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The Vice President who died in office is K. Krishnakant, was the Vice President who died while in office. The Vice President who fought the election of President and lost is, so that is Bhairan Singh Shekhawat was the first guy who fought the election of the President and lost. As you can see right side how Bhairan Singh Shekhawat looks like. The person who got elected as the Vice President independently, there were various people, that is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, M. Hidayatullah, Shankar Dayal Sharma. These three are the persons who got elected as the Vice President independently. The Vice President of India for 2 consecutive terms, that is Dr. Radhakrishnan, was the Vice President for the twice. The Union Executive of Indian consists of, so whatever the Union Executive of Indian consists of the President, Vice President and Council of Ministers. So these are the 3 in it. Next we have the Vice President is elected by members of the Electoral College consisting of the members of the Houses of the Parliament. Next we have the Vice President discharges the functions of the President. He would be entitled to the same emoluments, allowances and privileges to which the President is entitled under the Constitution. So here the Vice President discharges the functions as the President. Whatever the emoluments, the same will be, that privileges will be entitled under the Constitution. The proposal relating to dismissal of the Vice President can be presented in the Rajya Sabha, as we have already discussed. So if you want to be impeached, that Vice President can be dismissed with the proposal relating to dismissal, whatever is there, that will be presented in the Rajya Sabha. So, and I hope all this information will help you a lot. So if you want 2100 PDF or GK of as well as GS questions, you can call me on 7666 730 252. So or message me by WhatsApp. I'll send you that PDF. So please share it to your friends. This will be very helpful for you, and you can even join on Telegram Defense ICTA. That will be available. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.